In Peru, our biodiversity allows us to be the country with the widest variety of raw materials in colorants. Inato, cochineal, purple corn, turmeric, and paprika give color to our history, hand in hand with a great number of Peruvian families, farmers whose quality of life depends on this ancestral activity. The cochineal is one of the Peruvian natural colorants with the highest demand worldwide. Our country has a 95% share of the international market, and over 32,600 farmers depend on the carmine industry. The production line for the cochineal byproducts has become more technical through time, complying with the highest quality standards without ignoring its care for nature. The colorant obtained for the cochineal is resistant to high temperatures, light, and oxidation. From the cochineal, we get carminic acid and carmine, which are used as food, cosmetic, and pharmaceutical colorants. The Peruvian variety of natural colorants is very diverse. Inato is a tree whose seed gives us bixin, which can be used to obtain norbixin. These products are used to produce food colorants with shades that go from light yellow to a dark orange and have highly valued medicinal properties. Purple corn is another legacy from the early Peruvians. This type of corn, the imperial grain, is the only one in the world with a purple cob and grains due to a high concentration of anthocyanin, a natural colorant valued in the medicinal field with great potential for the pharmaceutical, cosmetic, textile, and food industries due to its high concentration and versatility. Paprika is another Peruvian consumable with great reception. Our country is one of the world's leading exporters. From this crop, we obtain the paprika oleoresin and powdered paprika, with shades ranging from orange to red. Paprika is used in the food industry as a natural colorant and as a spice, a great contributor to gastronomy. Peruvian natural colorants are a result of our biodiversity and a historic legacy that mixes in a balanced manner ancestral wisdom and respect for nature. By including a Peruvian natural colorant, you're not only ensuring the best possible color ingredient, but also getting the highest quality and technology, contributing to the growth and sustainable development of many farming communities which honor their past and look forward to their future. A future filled with natural color.